Hi, I'm Mike Gubby. I'd like to introduce our 23-24 sheer curtain fabric collection on the iSeekBlinds website. I'm going to take you through each range and explain some of the features and textures that you're going to see and really help you make a decision rather than a small sample piece. We're going to look at it in the flesh and we're going to look at a really large sample piece. So we're going to shoot these videos during the day, but we're also going to go out tonight and see what they look like from outside shooting in. Now at the end of this video, I'm also going to show you one of our beautiful offline 100% linen sheer curtain fabrics. I really look forward to showing them to you. The first fabric behind me is the Charlotte collection. Now Charlotte's my daughter. It's a 100% polyester, but I've chosen this one because of this beautiful linen slub. Now I only hung that curtain about 2 hours ago and you can already see how well it's hanging. So if you want a luxurious budget look, then Charlotte's the fabric to choose. I've got 4 colors, a cool white, a warm white, a light gray, and a charcoal. So Bali behind me is a beautiful linen look sheer curtain. It's 100% polyester and you'll see behind me it's got this beautiful fine weave. The fabric comes from Turkey and it's available in several different colors going from cool white, warm whites into your sort of neutral tones, into your dark grays and charcoals. Linesque is one of our new fabrics that we have on the iSeekBlinds website. It's got this beautiful sort of organic, natural linen feel to the fabric, and it's starting to look a little bit thicker, perhaps a little bit more dense than some of the fabrics we've seen prior. Now, this one has a fantastic range of colors, and working from left to right, the colors behind me is the creme, the macadamia, the cyrus, and the 4th color there is the husk. Chios Moonlight and Chios Mist, Chios Sable, and the 4th one is the Chios Quartz. It needs no introduction. It's one of the best-selling Warwick fabrics. And I'd like to take this opportunity just to thank Warwick for the ongoing support that they've shown iSeekBlinds over the last 20 years. I'm very grateful and I just wanted to say thank you very much. It's a beautiful textured, coarse, woven linen look sheer. It's 100% polyester. It's one of Warwick's biggest selling fabrics. It's been around for years and years, and I'm sure it will be for years into the future. It drapes well, a great range of colors. The fabric behind me is called Whitsundays, and it's made in regional Victoria in a little town called Wangaratta. It's got a beautiful color palette and a great sort of Scandi vibe. The colors behind me is Arctic White, Silver Gum, Flaxen, and the 4th color is Gravel. Do you like the curtains? Do you like this one? Do you like the curtains? I can see blue water and sandy beaches behind this fabric here. It's a Wilson fabric called Coast, and it offers this beautiful 2-tone sort of heavy textured design. Now, if you're after a little bit more privacy, but you still want to view through the sheer curtain fabric, then this may be the fabric to choose. The colors behind me from left to right are the Coast Snow, the Coast Off-White, the Coast Silver, and the 4th color is the Coast Graphite. I'm going to let the fabric behind me speak for itself. It's 100% stone washed linen fabric and it's become really on trend at the moment. Now the colors behind me are beige, ivory, cement, stone and mist, and we've got this fabric sitting as a beautiful puddled effect. Now if you'd like some more information about this fabric, then please contact us at iSeekBlinds. So it's pitch black outside. I've got 3 sheer curtain fabrics to show you. exactly the level of privacy that you can expect when it's dark outside and we're looking into a house that's well lit like this one here. So the fabrics there is Charlotte, Whitsundays and Bali. Let's go outside and see what we can see. So we're outside now, it's nearly pitch black. Let's have a look inside the house and see exactly what we can see with those three fabrics. So now we've upped our game in the nighttime privacy stakes. Behind me, we've got the 100% linen fabric. We've got the Chios fabric from Warwick. We've got the Coast fabric from Wilson's, and we've got the Linesque fabric from Chios. So let's go outside and see what they show us. So we're going to turn the chandelier off in a moment, but this is a really important part of our video. If nighttime privacy is important to you, let me reconfirm the fabrics that we've got. The 100% linen fabric. This is the Chios fabric by Warwick. This is the Coast fabric by Wilson, and that's the Linesque fabric. So I'm about to turn off the chandelier and we'll see exactly how they look. We're all about awesome DIY outcomes here at iSeekBlinds, and I hope these videos have really enabled you to sort of get really up close and personal with each one of these sheer curtain fabrics and make an awesome decision for your house.